With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's begin with this question. So in the question we have been asked, consider the graph. We have been provided with a PV graph, okay, where this is state 1, this is state 2, and one path is this where the heat is QA, and this is another path where the heat is QB. Now the question says identify the correct option. Okay, so we have been provided with some options over here. Okay, so before we begin solving this question, there are some important facts which we need to know. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about delta U or change in internal energy. Okay, so this is a type of state function. State function. Now, what exactly is a state function? See, state function are those properties of the system which are dependent upon the state, not the path taken by the process. Okay, and delta U, that is change in internal energy, is my state function. Okay, now let's talk about delta Q or change in heat. Okay, change in heat, this is my path function. Now, what are path functions? So, path function is that property of the system which is dependent upon the path taken up by the process. Okay, so heat is my path function and internal energy is my state function. Okay, now in the given options we have to compare for delta U and Q, that is heat. Okay, so as I just told you, state functions are the functions which are independent of path. Okay, so here my delta U only depends upon the state 1 and state 2, and in both the process we are going from state 1 to state 2 only the paths are different. Okay, so clearly delta U for path A is equal to delta U for path B. Why? Because state function is independent of path, is independent of the path taken by the process, the path taken by the process. Okay, now we have to compare. Okay, so as I can clearly see, my this option and this option, these second and fourth options are clearly eliminated. I am now remaining first and third options where comparison of heat for both the path, that is Q and QB, is being done. Okay, now using the first law of thermodynamics, I can write this as QA plus WA is equal to QB plus WB. Okay, as first law of thermodynamics says that that my change in internal energy delta U is Q plus W. Okay, so I have written this using first law of thermodynamics. Okay, now rearranging and reshuffling this terms or in this present in this equation, so I get QB minus QA is equal to WA minus WB, right? I get this. Now, WA minus WB, we can physically calculate this quantity, or we can relatively get an idea for the WA minus WB, this quantity, as work done is the area under PV curve. Okay, so now if I see in this graph clearly for my process number A, that is this process, for my this upper process, clearly the work done will be the area under PV curve, and the WA will be clearly more than WB. Okay, so this WA minus WB, this quantity will be greater than 0. How? Because as I just told you, WA is greater than WB. Okay, and what is work? Work is area under PV curve. Okay, so here putting this over here, I get QB minus QA is greater than 0, which finally leads us to another conclusion that QB is greater than QA. So we have got this one conclusion and we have got this another conclusion. Okay. Now if I see my options, so clearly I have this option where delta UA is equal to delta UB and QA is less than QB. That is QB is greater than QA. So this is the correct answer for the required question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.